Ionizing Radiation by Siley Blowers, Gregory Peterson, and Kate Blay. Subtopics of this lesson. What is ionizing radiation? Hazards of exposure and units of exposure to ionizing radiation.
What is ionizing radiation? Electromagnetic waves that carries enough energy to remove electrons from an atom. The two types of electromagnetic waves are gamma rays, which is produced by interaction within the nucleus, and X-rays, produced outside the nucleus by electrons.
Hazards of exposure. 3 things happen when atoms from cell become ionized. 1. The cell dies. 2. The cell repairs itself. 3. Cells mutate incorrectly and cause cancer. Different cells can react to ionizing radiation, can react differently. The most likely to be affected by ionizing radiation tend to be the one that produce cells the fastest and are least specialized.
Units of exposure to ionizing radiation. Electric charge freed by such radiation in a specified volume of air divided by the mass. R times cm squared divided by 8 hours times mci.